So you know I'm not using anyone like the Confederates. So if anyone catches it, come on up on stage. As a matter of fact, if it's a child, give it to your mom or your dad. Heads up. Anyone catch it? Heads up. She's looking away. Come on, no problem. Come on, come on, she's coming on up. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. She was like, all right, she's gonna have some fun now. Here we go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is called mind control. I can control her mind, she just doesn't know it yet. I can't do that? She said I can't. Okay. Hello. What is your name? Calingula. Calingula. That's a unique name. That's the first I'm hearing that one, by the way. Now, Calingula. Listen. 4 bags. Inside one of them hold a surprise. Let me explain. Inside one of the bags, one hold a surprise. This, like something like this, is in all bags. But one of them is different from the other. That is the one I do not want you to hit, because that's a surprise. Don't crush it. So you're going to go like, bang! Or bang! Or bang! Or bang! Anyone. So you're going to crush 3 of the bags. One of them hold a surprise, and that one I do not want you to crush, because that's a surprise. Good? So I'm going to tell you exactly which one to hit, but I'm going to do it in your mind. She's laughing. She don't believe you. She will. And I'm not going to stop you at whatever choice you make. So you're going to just go like, bam, and step back. That's it. Don't move yet. Let me enter your mind. Go. Good. Alright. That's not it. The surprise cannot be crushed, ladies and gentlemen. It cannot be crushed. So you got 2 more options. Go. That's not it. As I say, ladies and gentlemen, the surprise cannot be crushed. Now it's a 50-50. Go. No! Good. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If this is not mind control, then what is it? Inside this bag, I told you before, there is a surprise. And I wasn't lying. If you look right here, it's a nail inside a piece of wood. Hold your hand, don't punch too hard, touch it. Take time. Say it's real, very real. That is mind control. Yeah, man. And do not go home and try anything like this at home, ladies and gentlemen, unless you have real mind control. I know what